Okay, I was at school messing around with my pencil. So, how I make this is a little bit weird. So basically, you can see through this pencil. So, in this pencil, you can take the lid off. In old pencils, mechanical pencils, you could usually just pop this lid off. There will be a little black thing here connected to a little string. And I just pulled that off, put this back on. And then in here is a little spring. Make sure you don't lose that. Here, I'll try that. You can't really see it, but there's a spring in there. That's what keeps this. But without that little string in the top here, it can fly. It's really hard to, most of the time, the spring flies out too, so be careful where you're slinging it. So just maybe get some glue or something and try to fix that. Mine just got stuck somehow, so that's fixed. I glued it, I put glue on the end, dropped it in, and then put glue on the end of the spring, dropped it in the pencil, and then just let it dry for a minute. Now it can launch again.